Not happy with you. You've taken off. You're smoking dope. You come in here with your pants near your ankles. This is not a good look, Mr. Carrillo. And you're one step from ending up in a place that's going to have a bunch of white bars next to you. You understand?
Sir.
Now it's time to decide what to do with your case. You've been gone for a better part of a year, and it's time to decide what to do. I'm resetting your case for 2 weeks. In that 2 weeks, you must get with your lawyer that I've given you now to see what you want to do. You will either take a plea bargain from the state when we come back, or I will set your case for trial. You get no more benefit. And I'm going to tell you now, you take off again, ever, I will make your bond so high you're going to flip. You understand?
Sir.
All right. So I'll have you go to Victoria. We'll see you in 2 weeks. Thanks.
Thanks, Judge.
Judge Fleischer is quick. He knows what he wants to say and has no interest in excuses. He does show concern for people, but he knows his oath to uphold the law.
Muy bien, ¿qué tal? Soy el intérprete. ¿Estamos aquí en el centro? Oh, you speak English?
Yes,
Do you speak English?
Yes.
Okay. You, Sanaya Hampton.
yes.
Ma'am, you were charged with yet another assault of a family member. You're facing up to a year in jail. Guys, keep it down, please.
Order in the court.
Facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present during questions and interviews. If you cannot afford a lawyer will be appointed to represent you, ma'am.
Mr. Honor, on November 18, 2023, officers were dispatched to a family assault call at 1502-2 Mesquite Street in Harris County, Texas. The complainant reported that she attended a family get-together at 4315 Fox Hill Street in Harris County. The complainant's son, MR, was in a fight with defendant's boyfriend. Defendant is CW's niece. The complainant was near the fight when the defendant came up from behind and pulled her by the hair, causing pain and discomfort. Defendant had a hold on complainant's hair and kicked the complainant in the face, causing pain. Complainant's son witnessed the assault. And of course, June 23, there was a family assault.
This is not the same complaining witness, is it?
Not the same complainant. I don't believe. Right. This is
And then you said, was this a party?
family get together. No, it's a different complainant, Your Honor. It's her aunt. The defendant is the niece of the complainant.
Okay. Ma'am, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with your case. I'm ordering you now as a condition of your bond not to have any alcohol or use of any illegal drugs. I'm going to randomly test you. If I find that you're consuming alcohol or any kind of dope, I will put you in jail. You will not get any more PR bonds. You understand? I'm entering in now what's called a magistrate's order for emergency protection. That is a court order that identifies Michelle Marie Roman as a protected individual. You cannot commit family violence or an assault against this person. Commit an act in furtherance of an offense under section 42.072 of the Texas Penal Code, which is the stalking statute. You cannot stalk, threaten, harass, use another person to communicate a threat or harassing behavior. You cannot be in possession of a weapon or go within 200 feet of 15. You understand? If you violate this court order, the state can and will file a violation of a protective order against you. And I'm telling you, it's one of the worst cases you can pick up. You violate those conditions, I can hold you at no bond, and I'll do it in a second to protect Harris County. I now also am ordering you no contact until this case is over with and not to be in possession of weapons at all. What do you do for a living, man?
I was working at the Paradise this last 8 months, and I'm trying to enroll into school as a firefighter.
So where do you currently work now?
I'm not working, I'm a lash tech. I do lashes,
How do you support yourself?
doing lashes.
But you said you're not working though. right?
Not work, I don't work for no one, but I have my own business. I'm
So you're self-employed.
Yes, sir.
Okay. How much would you say you earn a month doing this?
Maybe only $300 to $400.
How much?
Only $300 to $400 a
A
month.
month?
I'm staying with my grandma and my son.
Did you want to apply for an appointed lawyer, ma'am? An appointed lawyer. Okay, I'm going to give you an application. The only other thing I'm going to impart to you, Ms. Hampton, is that you said you want to be a firefighter, correct? Do you think that with a prior assault and now another assault, that that's going to happen? Do you know why we have everybody in jail now? No self-control. They get angry, they get upset, they wig out and do whatever they want to do without thinking of consequence. You have but sometimes a nanosecond to even think about what you're going to do before it ruins your entire life. I don't know how this is going to impact you now, but very may well be. So we'll see. The only thing I'm asking you now is don't pick up any new cases and be nice to people. It's not hard. No more alcohol, no more dope. Don't pick up any new cases and no contact with this person. I will give you a lawyer today, man. All right? Please. So I want you to know that at this moment, you have no bond. I'm going to set your bond at $2,500. I will give you a PR bond so you can walk out of here today, but you will not get another one. If you don't follow the conditions or if you pick up a new case, I will revoke this PR bond. I think that everybody is entitled to one chance. This is the one chance that you're going to get from me. You will not get another one. So do with it what you will. I hope that you make good decisions from now on. No more. All right? Okay. So bond set at 2,500 and then I'll give her a PR bond.
She's lucky to get out on a PR bond. She really needs to figure life out. She is not a teenager and should stop living like one. She is lucky to have this judge. He didn't just throw her in jail and forget about her. I wonder why so many people just continue to act out and never consider the consequences. Is it because they have a good family that will always get them out of trouble? I don't know.